In this video, we will discuss about the basics of the DOS command. So, in order to open the DOS prompt, we have to go to Start button, click on this, type CMD, choose CMD. So, initially we are in C drive, we want to change it to D drive, make use of D drive here, colon. So, how to display the information present in this directory? By making use of the dir command. So how to create a new directory? So in order to create a new directory, we will go for mkdir command. A new directory is created. You can see this. Now how to create a file inside new directory too. So if I want to create I have to change the directory by using the cd command, cd new directory 2. Now I want to create a file inside this directory. How it is possible? By using echo command, echo the content of the file. If you don't use anything, then the particular content will be displayed down. If I want to insert this content into inside the file, I make use of redirection operator, the file name. So you can check this by using dir command. So what happens is this new file is created now. I want to create one more file. What I will do is make use of echo if I want to copy the files, you can make use of the copy command, copy file1.txt. So what happens is the file1 contents will be copied to the file2 file. So you want to overwrite this, yes, one file copy. So what if I want to move that file from one directory to other directory? We should make use of the particular command. So for that, I will just come back to the root directory. I will create one more file. Now what I will do is I will move this particular file. I will move this particular file, file3.txt to new directory 2. So what happens is one file is moved. So how to delete a particular file? So for deleting the particular file, make use of the command del file3.txt. This is how we will delete the particular file. This particular file is moved. So I'll go to new directory 2. Now I can delete the particular file is use particular del command for deleting the file. So you can see what all the contents are there. So for deleting all the files, you can make use of file star .txt. So this will delete all the files. Now if I want to delete the entire directory, I can make use of the command rmdir new directory use rd. So this will delete the directory. So you can see this now. There is no any directory now. So if you want to display a date, you can do this by using this. If I want to display a time, I can make use of this command time. I can display the directory structure in terms of tree by using this. I can display the version of operating system by using this command version. So we can change the title of the prompt by using title. Now you can see that the title is changed. You can change the color of the prompt by using this option. You can make use of a timeout command. It will wait for certain period of time. How to compare two different files? So I can create two different files. So how to compare this by using fc command. So you can see that the two files are same, so no difference is encountered. So you can make use of compare command also to do the same thing. If I have to clear the screen, I can make use of cls command. It will clear the whole screen. Attribute will display the attribute of all the files. This command is used to display the attributes of all the files. If you want to take the input of the file, you can make use of more command. You can type whatever you want. How to change the directory from OneDrive. So you can make use of C:, this will go to C drive. So by using this option shutdown, you can shut down the system. And if I make use of exit, it will exit the prompt.